Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Monroe Road Elementary School in Lambertville, Michigan. And this is probably my third, fourth visit now to the campus. Just a great, morning, early afternoon with the students and staff here. I'm outside of one of their side murals where it says Bedford Best, and they really try to push this throughout their community, the Bedford Public Schools. And what's so awesome, their main principles are talking about respect, kindness, responsibility. And this really tied into today's topic as well, that we're trying to respect ourselves and be kind to our mind, be kind to our heart, and be our best self, right? The main theme was positivity, the sub-theme, be your best self. And the students really took it to heart, it really resonated with them. And so we focused on, this idea that we can always choose to have a positive attitude with everyone in our lives and everywhere in our lives. And to know that even when it's not sunny outside or the sun is shining like it is today, beautiful day here in Michigan, when it's kind of stormy, cloudy, rainy, not the best weather, or there's something going on even in our hearts personally, in our personal lives, or here at school, at home, whatever the situation, we can still, choose to have a positive outlook, right? And know that certain things that are going to be tough, different things that we go through, difficult experiences can make us stronger if we let them. And that's why I wear this shirt for this assembly. It says, keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose, because if you're looking down, feeling sad, it's a reminder to always think positive, right? That we always do have a choice how we're going to treat ourselves, how we're going to treat others. But, whatever you tell your brain and your heart, it's going to believe. We don't want to tell it something negative. We want to tell it something positive, right? And the more that we can do that, that starts to kind of be contagious for others, like that attitude and that effort and that self-belief. We can kind of get rid of that negativity, right? That we might push on ourselves or push on others in the future. And so it's just always, very motivating for me, very encouraging when we know that we have this opportunity to uplift or to tear down, kind of like the lessons from Guy's story, that every time that we flap our wings, figuratively, we're trying to actually lift somebody else up around us. And it gets easier when we work together, right? When we're a team. That is part of doing our best and being our best self. We also know that we can always give the effort, and that true excellence isn't just about being the best, but it's always about doing your best. We don't always have to win the race, you don't always have to get first place, but we can always give the effort. And that's what all the adults, the teachers, the parents in our life, that's all they really want from us, right? Is to just keep trying our hardest, and to also know that the opposite of success is not failure, but it's quitting, right? It's giving up. It's not trying any longer, because we can fail again and again, but eventually we can finally exceed. If we don't try at all, then we have no shot, right? So knowing that we can encourage others, that's part of doing our best, knowing that we can believe in ourselves, that's part of doing our best, our Bedford best, but also always remembering this. I bring this up in all my assemblies, it's so important. But with the lines on our hand, we have the letter M, right? That M stands for miracle, upside down W is for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to buy into that, right? And once we do, we go out and be that light to someone else's heart. And we start living these principles each and every day. It's one thing to talk it, right? But we have to walk the walk too, right? We have to take action. We have to make sure that we're helping everybody around us. So thank you for touching my heart again. It was great to see you all. Keep shining your light. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.